In this video, I will create its sides project by manually entering the pressure vessel example. Open the extracted sides folder. Then open the dist folder and double-click sides.exe. In Project Setup, choose the Manual Project option. Create a project with 3 variables, 2 nonlinear constraints, and 2 nonlinear goals. In the Variables tab, enter 3 variables: thick, rad, and length. For thick, enter minimum 0.25, maximum 2.0, and step size 2.0. For rad, enter minimum 6.0, maximum 24.0, and step size 24.0. For length, enter minimum 0.0, maximum 48.0, and step size 2.0. In the Formulas tab, add one helper value named DUM. Enter the formula as DUM equals 2 times rad times thick plus thick squared. In the Linear tab, enter 3 constraints. The first constraint is named maxlen. It is 2 times thick plus 2 times rad plus length must be less than or equal to 60. The second constraint is named maxi. It is thick plus rad must be less than or equal to 12. The third constraint is named ratrel. It is -5 times thick plus rad must be greater than or equal to 0. Linear and nonlinear rows are separated because sides handles them differently. Linear constraints can be converted into coefficients, while nonlinear formulas are evaluated directly as formulas. In the Nonlinear tab, enter the 2 stress constraints. The first nonlinear constraint is named SPHSDR. For SPHSDR, enter the formula shown in the video. The result must be greater than or equal to 0. The second nonlinear constraint is named CYLSDR. For CYLSDR, enter the formula shown in the video. Must be greater than or equal to 0. Now add the nonlinear goals. The first nonlinear goal is named maxvol. For maxvol, enter the formula shown in the video. The second nonlinear goal is named minT. Read the formula as 0.25 divided by thick minus 1. Enter the goal weights as 0.3 and 0.7. These are all goal weights, so linear and nonlinear goals are counted together if both are present. Click Preview Formulas to check the model. Then click Run. When sides finishes, click Save Results to export the result files. I used manual input instead of loading press.py because loading a Python file is a separate workflow. Some Python files use a custom irsit function. Sides can run those files, but it cannot always turn custom Python code back into editable formula rows in the interface.